and clap your hands. Hey, fans in the stands, stand right up and clap your hands. Hey, fans in the stands, stand right up and clap your hands.
Okay, now Taylor, you're gonna just do what you did. You're the teacher.
Okay.
So you're gonna teach Brina.
So, hands on hips, smiles on lips. Hands on hips, smiles on lips. Okay. So we're gonna do hey fans, you are supposed to do this. You're supposed to hop up and go back down like this. So you were supposed to hop up like this much. Nope. Go back down. So you're gonna stand like this, so you're gonna hop up like this, and then come back down, and then up again, then clap. Okay?
And show them how they're supposed to clap their hands and not worry about the hair.
So don't worry about your hair. Don't be messing around. Clap, and then when you clap, you have to do shoulder part width. So you're gonna put your hands out with a cup. So then you're gonna.
So tell them what they should.
You're supposed to put your hands like shoulder width apart. So then not like this.
Yeah, show them what they're not supposed to do.
You're not supposed to do like this, or like that. Or like that with your eyes shut. Don't know what you're doing. Don't be messing around. This is what you're not supposed to do when you're messing around. Not worrying about your hair. Well, I'm okay. I just need my hair out of the way. You're supposed to keep your eyes are right in tension with the person that's teaching you.
Okay.
So, do it. Let's do it.
So now, what are we gonna do?
Stand one more time. Okay, we'll do face hands in the stand one more time. Ready? Go. Hey, stand in the stand right up and clap your hands.